Every spring, millions of people feel a surge of excitement. The tax refund email lands, or the check arrives, promising a temporary boost to their bank account. It feels like a bonus, a reward for navigating another year. We see friends planning vacations, buying new gadgets, or finally tackling that home improvement project. It's an almost universal experience, a collective sigh of relief and celebration. But what if this widespread joy stems from a fundamental misunderstanding? What if this surprise is actually a clear signal that something in our financial strategy could be significantly improved? It's time to reevaluate this annual tradition. For years, I was just like everyone else. I'd eagerly await my refund, already mentally spending the money. It was extra cash, right? Then, a conversation with a seasoned financial planner shifted my entire perspective. They didn't just explain taxes, they explained the asterisk flow asterisk of money, and how my refund was a symptom, not a prize. It was a realization that truly opened my eyes to missed opportunities and a smarter way to manage my finances. This wasn't about complex tax code, it was about understanding my own money and taking back control of it. That moment changed everything for me, and I believe it can for you too. Here's the surprising truth many people miss. A tax refund isn't a gift from the government. It's not a bonus payment, nor is it extra income you somehow earned at the end of the year. In fact, it's quite the opposite. A tax refund means you've overpaid your taxes throughout the year. The government simply returns the excess money it's been holding for you. This fundamental understanding is where true financial empowerment begins. Recognizing this isn't about being negative. It's about seeing your financial landscape with clarity and seizing the opportunity to optimize your wealth-building journey. To grasp refunds, we first need a quick look at taxes themselves. At its simplest, taxes are mandatory financial contributions levied by a government to fund public expenditures. For most employees, income taxes are deducted directly from each paycheck. This system is called withholding. Your employer estimates your annual income and your tax liability, then sends a portion of each paycheck to the IRS on your behalf. This ensures the government receives its due incrementally, rather than waiting for a single large payment at year-end. Understanding this basic mechanism is your first step towards proactive financial management, not just reactive compliance. Your withholding is determined by the information you provide on Form W-4 to your employer. This form tells your employer how much to deduct from your pay for federal income tax. Factors like your marital status, the number of dependents you claim, and any additional income or deductions you anticipate, all influence this calculation. The goal of the W-4 is to get your withholding as close as possible to your actual tax liability. This isn't just about filing forms, it's about actively shaping your cash flow throughout the year, laying the groundwork for greater financial control. So, how do you end up overpaying? Often, it's due to being overly conservative on your W-4. Many people intentionally overwithhold to ensure they don't owe taxes at the end of the year. Others simply set it once and forget it, even when life changes dramatically, a new child, a marriage, or a significant pay raise. Each of these events alters your true tax liability, yet your withholding might remain unchanged. This safe approach, while well-intentioned, effectively turns the government into an interest-free savings account for your own money. Imagine the possibilities if that money was working for you all year long instead. Let's consider Sarah. For years, she claimed zero dependence on her W-4, even after having 2 children. She enjoyed her annual $3,000 refund, seeing it as her fun money. She felt responsible, avoiding any tax bill. But what she didn't realize was that she was essentially giving the government an interest-free loan of $250 every single month. That $250 could have paid down her high-interest credit card debt, started an emergency fund, or contributed to a college savings plan for her kids. Her refund felt good, but it masked a missed opportunity for true financial growth and stability. Her story illuminates the path to a brighter financial future for us all. When you receive a refund, it means you've effectively lent your money to the government without earning any interest. This isn't just about lost interest, it's about the opportunity cost. What else could that money have done for you throughout the year? It could have earned investment returns, reduced high-interest debt, or simply provided more financial flexibility. This is a critical point that truly changed my mind. The money isn't found at tax time. It was always yours, just inaccessible. Unleash the power of your dollars by having them available when you need them most, rather than letting them sit idle. Let's put some numbers to that opportunity cost. If Sarah had directed her $250 monthly overpayment into a Roth IRA earning an average 7% annual return, after 10 years, that money wouldn't just be $30,000, $250 x 12 by 10. With the power of compound interest, it could have grown to nearly $43,000. That's an extra $13,000 in wealth built, simply by adjusting her withholding. This isn't hypothetical. It's the tangible impact of smart financial choices. Imagine the future you can build, simply by taking command of your monthly cash flow. Your financial potential is truly immense. Some argue that a tax refund acts as a forced savings plan for those who struggle to save. While it might feel that way, it's a suboptimal approach. You forego potential gains, and you lose control over your own funds for months. A true savings plan empowers you with choices, allowing you to invest, pay down debt strategically, or build an accessible emergency fund. Relying on a tax refund for savings is like using a bucket with a hole in it. Some water gets stored, but much is lost. Embrace intentional saving and investing, and unlock a future where your money truly serves your aspirations. Instead of waiting for an annual refund, imagine having more of your own money in every single paycheck. This isn't about owing taxes. It's about adjusting your withholding so you receive the money you're owed throughout the year, rather than in one lump sum later. This immediate cash flow can be transformative. It allows you to tackle financial goals with consistent effort, building an emergency fund, making extra debt payments, or investing regularly. This proactive approach puts you in the driver's seat, empowering you to build wealth incrementally and consistently, not just once a year. Think about the immediate impact. An extra $200 a month in your paycheck means $200 that can go directly to your highest interest debt, potentially saving you hundreds in interest over time. Or, it could bolster your emergency fund, providing peace of mind against unexpected expenses. This isn't about abstract financial theory. It's about tangible improvements to your daily life and long-term security. The power to change your financial trajectory lies in making small, consistent adjustments, starting with understanding and optimizing your tax withholding. Seize this chance to transform your present and future financial reality. The key to unlocking this consistent cash flow is your IRS Form W-4. It's not a static document. It's a dynamic tool you can update anytime your financial situation changes, or simply when you decide to optimize your withholding. The IRS Tax Withholding Estimator tool is invaluable here. It guides you through a series of questions, helping you calculate the ideal number of allowances or specific dollar amounts to withhold. Taking a few minutes to complete this form correctly empowers you to gain mastery over your income and shape your financial destiny. Life is dynamic, and your W-4 should reflect that. Did you get married or divorced? Have a child? Buy a home? Start a side hustle? Each of these events can significantly impact your tax liability. Failing to update your W-4 means you're either overpaying or, conversely, underpaying taxes, potentially leading to a surprise tax bill. Proactively adjusting your withholding ensures you maintain an accurate balance, neither giving the government an interest-free loan nor facing unexpected dues. This vigilance is a cornerstone of intelligent financial management, keeping you ahead of the curve and in command. While adjusting to get less of a refund is smart, we must address the other side of the coin, underwithholding. If you withhold too little, you could owe taxes at the end of the year, potentially with penalties. The goal isn't to zero out your refund and risk a bill. It's to get as close to zero as possible without owing, or to receive a very small refund. The IRS Withholding Estimator helps you strike this delicate balance, avoiding both large refunds and unexpected tax bills. This nuanced approach empowers you to be precise, ensuring financial stability without sacrificing opportunity. Many fear owing money at tax time, often associating it with financial failure or poor planning. This social stigma can drive people to intentionally overpay, just to avoid the perceived embarrassment. But in reality, owing a small amount, say, a few $100s, can be a sign of perfectly optimized withholding. It means you had access to your money throughout the year, maximizing its potential for growth or debt reduction. Shedding this stigma is an act of financial liberation, allowing you to make rational, empowering decisions about your money, free from outdated societal pressures. For those with complex financial situations, perhaps freelancers, independent contractors, or small business owners, simply adjusting a W-4 isn't enough. They often need to make estimated quarterly tax payments. This ensures income and self-employment taxes are paid throughout the year, preventing a massive bill at tax time. It requires discipline and proactive planning, but it's a testament to taking full ownership of your financial responsibilities. This level of engagement isn't just about compliance. It's about building a robust financial foundation for sustained success and growth. Imagine having an extra $100, $200, or even $300 in your pocket each month. That consistent stream of funds can transform your savings habits. Instead of scrambling for an emergency fund, you can systematically build it with ease. Instead of waiting for a year-end bonus to invest, you can contribute regularly to your retirement accounts, harnessing the power of dollar-cost averaging. This isn't just about accumulating money. It's about building financial resilience and creating a future where unexpected events don't derail your dreams. Your commitment to consistent saving will pave the way for extraordinary achievements. Let's revisit the power of compounding with a slightly different scenario. If you take that extra $250 each month and consistently invest it into a broad market index fund returning 8% annually, over 20 years, your total contributions would be $60,000. But with compound interest, your investment could swell to over $146,000. That's an additional $86,000 in wealth, purely from understanding and optimizing your withholding. This demonstrates the staggering potential of consistent, strategic action. Your future financial freedom is within your grasp, fueled by these seemingly small adjustments. High-interest debt can be a crippling burden, siphoning away your hard-earned money in interest payments. Imagine directing that extra monthly income from optimized withholding directly to your credit card or personal loan. Even an additional $50 or $100 per month can dramatically shorten the repayment period and save you thousands in interest. This isn't just about paying bills. It's about reclaiming your financial autonomy and building momentum towards a debt-free life. Each extra payment is a step towards liberation, propelling you forward into a future of financial choice and possibility. Consider John, who had $5,000 in credit card debt at 18% interest. He was paying the minimum of $150 a month, which would have taken him over 4 years to pay off, costing him nearly $2,000 in interest. After adjusting his W-4, he found an extra $100 a month. He committed this $100 to his debt, increasing his payment to $250. This simple change allowed him to pay off his debt in just 2 years and 3 months, saving him over $1,100 in interest. John didn't get a bonus. He unleashed his own money to crush debt faster and achieve financial liberation. You hold this same power within your own finances. Let's compare the two approaches directly. On one side, we have the large annual refund, a one-time lump sum that feels good, but represents money that was inaccessible to you for months, earning nothing. On the other, more money in your paycheck throughout the year, consistent cash flow that empowers proactive financial management, allowing for immediate debt reduction, consistent saving, or regular investing. The choice isn't just about money, it's about control, opportunity, and the trajectory of your financial future. Choose the path that empowers you to maximize your potential and achieve your dreams. Our relationship with money is deeply psychological. A large refund can feel like a windfall, triggering impulsive spending rather than strategic financial moves. It taps into our immediate gratification desires. However, by having more money consistently, we can foster a healthier, more disciplined relationship with our finances. It encourages thoughtful budgeting, consistent saving, and strategic investment. This shift isn't just about numbers. It's about mastering your financial psychology, transforming short-term impulses into long-term financial discipline and empowerment. Cultivate a mindset that supports your highest financial aspirations. Understanding how tax refunds truly work is a cornerstone of financial literacy. It's not just about knowing tax rules. It's about understanding the flow of your money, recognizing opportunities, and making informed decisions. This knowledge empowers you to move beyond passive acceptance to active management of your wealth. By taking the time to learn and adjust, you're investing in yourself, building a skill set that will benefit you for a lifetime. Embrace this journey of learning, and watch as your financial confidence and capabilities soar to new heights. This shift in understanding isn't just about saving a few dollars. It's about a profound shift towards financial empowerment. It's about taking control, recognizing your potential, and making your money work harder for you every single day. You have the ability to transform your financial reality, to move from simply reacting to proactively building wealth and security. This journey begins with knowledge, is sustained by action, and culminates in a life of greater financial freedom and possibility. Step into your power and unleash the full potential of your financial future. The most crucial step you can take after watching this video is to review your W-4 form. Don't let inertia hold you back. Visit the IRS website and use their tax withholding estimator. It's a simple, free tool that can provide a clear path to optimizing your withholding. Take 15 to 20 minutes, gather your most recent pay stub and tax return, and walk through the steps. This small investment of time can yield significant financial returns, immediately putting you on a path to greater control. Act now, and begin reshaping your financial future today. Once you've adjusted your withholding, channel that extra money strategically. Don't let it simply vanish into your everyday spending. Set a clear, actionable savings goal. Whether it's building a $1,000 emergency fund, paying off a specific debt, or starting a retirement investment, having a target gives your money purpose. Automate these transfers if possible, so your savings grow without you even thinking about it. This intentionality is the bedrock of lasting financial success, transforming your dreams into tangible realities. Financial planning isn't a one-and-done event. Your life changes, and so do tax laws. Make it a habit to review your W-4 and overall financial strategy at least once a year, or whenever a major life event occurs. This consistent monitoring ensures your withholding remains optimized, adapting to new circumstances and maximizing your financial potential. This annual checkup is your commitment to ongoing financial wellness, ensuring your money always works as hard as you do, propelling you towards continuous growth. Imagine a future where you're not waiting for a single annual bonus, but consistently building wealth, reducing debt, and securing your financial future, paycheck by paycheck. This is the future that awaits when you understand and master your tax withholding. It's a future built on intentionality, discipline, and empowerment. Your journey towards financial freedom doesn't require a lottery win. It requires small, smart, consistent actions. Embrace this opportunity to reshape your financial narrative and unlock the incredible potential that lies within your own income. This isn't just about tax forms. It's about a profound mindset shift. It's about moving from a passive recipient of whatever the government decides to send you to an active architect of your own financial destiny. This realization that your refund isn't free money but your own overpaid capital can be a powerful catalyst for change. It inspires you to question, to learn, and to take decisive action. This is the essence of true financial empowerment, the courage to transform outdated habits into powerful strategies for growth. Let this understanding be your personal call to action. Every dollar withheld from your paycheck beyond your actual tax liability is a dollar you could have been using to further your financial goals. Reclaiming this income isn't about avoiding taxes. It's about optimizing your cash flow within the legal framework. It's about ensuring that your money is always working for you, not just sitting idly in government coffers. This proactive stance on your income transforms it from a fixed sum into a dynamic resource, ready to fuel your aspirations and accelerate your progress. Take charge and reclaim the full power of your earnings. Changing your W-4 can feel daunting. There's a fear of making a mistake, of owing taxes, or simply of the unknown. But remember, the IRS tools are designed to help you, and your employer's HR department can assist with the form itself. You're not alone in this journey. Embrace the challenge, knowing that a more informed and proactive approach to your taxes is a hallmark of true financial mastery. Overcoming this initial hesitation will unlock doors to greater financial fluidity and peace of mind. Your courage to act today will define your financial tomorrow. It's often the small, consistent changes that lead to the most profound transformations. Adjusting your W-4 might seem like a minor administrative task, but its ripple effect on your monthly cash flow, savings potential, and debt reduction can be enormous. It's a testament to the fact that you don't need a huge salary increase or a sudden windfall to improve your financial standing. You simply need to be smart, proactive, and willing to question conventional wisdom. This small act is a powerful step towards building an incredible financial legacy for yourself and your loved ones. Knowledge truly is power, especially when it comes to your personal finances. The insights gained from understanding how tax refunds actually work can demystify a complex topic and empower you with actionable strategies. This isn't about becoming a tax expert, but about equipping yourself with the essential financial literacy to make informed choices. Embrace this newfound understanding, share it with others, and collectively build a future where everyone has the tools to achieve their financial dreams. Your financial journey is an ongoing process of growth and discovery. Think of your W-4 as a key control panel for your income. You have the power to fine-tune how much of your hard-earned money you receive with each paycheck, influencing your immediate cash flow and long-term financial trajectory. This is about personal agency, about consciously directing your resources towards your most important goals. Don't let your money sit idle when it could be actively working for your future. Take command, adjust the settings, and watch as you accelerate towards your financial aspirations, becoming the master of your own financial destiny. Every moment you spend learning about personal finance, like watching this video, is an investment in yourself. It's an investment in your future security, your potential for growth, and your ability to live a life of choice. Understanding tax refunds isn't just a dry fact, it's a gateway to unlocking greater financial wisdom. This continuous pursuit of knowledge is what truly elevates us, enabling us to transcend limitations and build a legacy of abundance. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing the boundaries of what you thought was possible for your financial life. My journey from simply receiving refunds to actively managing my withholding transformed my financial perspective. It brought clarity, not just about taxes, but about the incredible power of my own income. This path forward is available to everyone. It starts with understanding, moves to decisive action, and blossoms into a future of greater financial control and opportunity. Don't just watch, take action. Your financial future isn't a passive outcome, it's an active creation. Seize this moment to begin building the financial life you truly desire, one informed decision at a time. You have the power to reshape your financial reality. The knowledge shared today is not just information, it's a tool for transformation. Embrace the opportunity to take greater command of your income, to make every dollar work harder for your goals, and to build a future defined by security, growth, and unparalleled freedom. Your potential is limitless. It begins now, with a deeper understanding of your tax refund, and the courageous decision to optimize your financial journey. Step into your power, and unleash the truly extraordinary financial life you deserve.